let's go to Disney World. We are going to Disney World, me, my husband, and our 3 little boys, and I want to show you guys what I'm packing. I have all the boys' clothes laid out, and then I'm doing my clothes, and my husband actually asked me to pack for him. These are his clothes, which has never happened on our entire, how long have we been married? 13, 14 years of marriage, but we recently went on a Disney cruise, which I made a video about and absolutely loved it. And he forgot his Mickey hat. See, the tag is still on that I bought him. He forgot the Mickey Island shirt that I got him. So he was like, you just pack for me. I don't care anymore. Which is truly the best part of marriage. Okay, anyways. Okay, before I get into what the boys are wearing, I also wanted to talk to you a little bit about some Disney tips and tricks. And one of my best tips is bring the stroller. You gotta bring the stroller. Disney is so much walking. I should post my step counts, but I think I get up to like 30,000 steps in a day sometimes there. And yes, like the kids can walk between rides by themselves, and my kids are 4, 7, and 9. So they're, you know, they're fit, they're fine, they can do it. But those long tracks like to and from where the like shuttles drop you off, or the Skyliner to the park, like you just don't want to exhaust the kids. And then when it's hot at the end of the day and they're like tired and just want to get back to the hotel, it's really nice to have a stroller. So my youngest is 4, so he definitely still needs a stroller for Disney. And I'm going to be using an Inglesina Quid stroller, which is our only best, most favorite travel stroller, and I want to share about them with you guys because I love them so much. You can wheel the stroller onto the airplane. Yes, down the aisle, center of the plane, you can push that stroller in, and you can put it in the overhead, which is a game changer. So I'm going to share with you guys a little bit about that stroller. We've traveled with it a ton and why we love it. And thank you so much to Inglesina for gifting us this stroller so I could share it with you guys.
Mom who travels a lot with 3 little boys, I know a lot about strollers, and the Inglesina Quid has absolutely been our favorite over the years. I mostly am obsessed with its one-handed open and close, the fact that it's self-standing, easy to get around, folds up, goes right into the overhead compartment and down the aisle of the airplane, makes it so much easier. I also really appreciate the quality premium jersey fabrics and just how well made the stroller is. We really put it to the test with our boys going all around Disney and traveling, and it has absolutely held up. I also really love its zero gravity strap on the shoulder, which makes it so light to carry. It's less than 14 pounds, which makes a huge difference. I really recommend the Inglesina Quid because it just saves your back and all that heavy lifting.
Let me show you guys what I got for the boys. This is how I lay everything out. I have 3 little boys. Their ages 4, 7, and 9. And yes, I think it's the perfect age for Disney. Every age is the perfect age for Disney, including 40 years old. Okay, so I have their piles of shorts, shirts, and bathing suits. I have a pile of socks and underwear. And then I have accessories like sweaters and hats. So they each pretty much have identical wardrobes. I love for my kids to match. 1, for aesthetics, it's very cute in pictures, but 2, it makes it so much easier to keep track of them. Like your eye just so much more easily notices when they're all matching where they are. I find it extremely helpful to have them matching, especially in a crowded place like Disney. Okay, so each of the boys is getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of shorts. And I really love, these are the Target All in Motion shorts for the boys. They're not expensive. They're like $10 ish, and they are that like sporty material. So if they get wet, if they jump in the pool, like it doesn't matter. So they each have 5 pairs of shorts, and then they each have 5 shirts. I told you I'm waiting on the Epcot one. I will insert a clip right now.
Okay, good news. The boys' Epcot shirts got here in time. It's Team Huey, Dewey, and Louie. If you don't know, these are Donald Duck's nephews. We also got Donald and Daisy shirts from my husband, but I don't like them. So we'll probably just figure something else out. But yes, the boy shirts are here.
Thank gosh they got here in time, future Marion. This is a tie-dye Mickey shirt. If you ever see tie-dye Mickey offered at the Disney resorts, this is what it looks like. My kids did these at Hilton Head, and they love them. Like, this is their #1 favorite shirt to wear because they made it, they tie-dyed it, they love it. Okay, this is our Cape May character brunch shirt on that Tuesday, the last day. This is a Disney shirt, but I got it at Kohl's for all 3. This is another Disney shirt. This is actually from Target. This is for our first night dinner with our friends at the Poly. The Poly is like a Polynesian style restaurant, so it's got that like island theme print. And yes, I have a matching dress, which I'll show you when I do my clothes. And my husband has the matching shirt, which is not going to be forgotten this time because I'm making sure it gets in there. And then for our Magic Kingdom Day, I got these on Etsy. So this is Max's. His favorite character is Goofy. Corey has Donald, and it also has their initials and their age. Like, you could do any number, so I just did their age. And then, Max has Pluto. Oh, no, wait, that's Zachary. I'm getting confused. Okay, Zachary has Pluto. Max has Goofy. Corey has Donald. Okay, so that's that. Then for bathing suits, they're each bringing 2 bathing suits because we have 3 full pool days, so it should be enough time for like one of them to dry. And again, like I said, their shorts can also go in the pool. This is from the Disney website. I just ordered for all 3 of them. Yes, I got a matching one, and I got a matching one for my husband. So cute. And I also got the matching shirt that goes with it. This is the front. It's a, what's it called? Like a swim shirt. And how cute is the back? Like I said, we do a lot of Disney vacations. I think we only do Disney vacations at this point, so I know they'll get wear out of them. This is an old one from a previous year. It's just so cute that my littlest has. And then she got all 3 of them. This one from Janie and Jack on major sale when they have their annual sale. So good. I thought this would be good for a future Disney cruise. It's like pirate themed. So that's their clothes, underwear and socks. Oh, and then they also have these sweaters, which are also from Kohl's. Kohl's has this brand, Jumping Beans, and they have really cute Disney stuff. And it's not expensive at all. And then these are their hats, which are from Gap. So cute. These are also not expensive. They were like less than $10. And then my husband has a blue one, and then I have a red one somewhere. So a lot of family matching. It brings me so much joy. Okay, and then here's what I'm gonna do this year. I have packing cubes. They're pretty large. These are the Target ones. I have their Target suitcases over there, but I'm a little bit torn, which we'll talk about in a second, but they will be doing the packing cubes for sure. And actually this time, because we've traveled a fair amount of my family, of the 3 boys, and I'm managing their clothes, right? Like, they're still very little. And I think it might be easier this year if I do all their shorts in one cube, all their shirts in another cube, because each morning, because we have like outfits for each day, I'm not like, okay, go pick out your shorts. I'm the one who's like taking out and being like, here, put this on. So I think it might be easier if I'm just like, here's everyone's shorts, here's everyone's shirt. What do you guys think? Do you ever pack that way? Let me know. That's my thought for this trip, because it's like outfits. Like I said, some people put each outfit in a Ziploc bag, and I love that. It's a little wasteful with the Ziploc, but can't say I'm not tempted. But it also takes up a lot more room when you pack that way. But I am tempted. Okay, real life. I'm bringing you into my closet to show you how I pack for Disney. I wanted to show you the real life. So this is what I have going on. That's my suitcase. It's empty. Piled up on top of it are things I want to bring. Next to it are my packing cubes. And then in this laundry bin, which I really need for laundry around the house, like I cannot be using it for what it's being used for right now, I have my Disney stuff. I don't store it permanently in this laundry bag. I just took it out. So yeah, I'm showing you guys real life. I got the kids stuff all organized. I'm not quite there with mine. Are you kidding me? My sister got me this for my birthday this past year, and of course she got me the matching ears, so that's definitely coming with me. And then a few years ago I got this one. Oh, which is getting mushed. These are the lounge flies. How cute. And of course I got the matching ears for that too. So those are my 2 bags and ears. I've never brought 2 Loungefly backpacks to Disney, but why not? I also have this adorable phone case that has a strap, and unfortunately it just is the way you have to use your phone the whole time at Disney. Well, one person in your party does, and that's me. So I like having it on a strap so I can just like reach for it all the time. We got one new magic band because one of my kids needed one because Zachy, my youngest, is now over the age of 3, so he needs his own magic band. The other boys have Cars ones. We have a magic band charger. I got a new magic band this year, but I just got white. You might be wondering, this is Andrew's, do you... Okay, sorry, my memory card was full. We were talking about magic bands. This is mine, this is Andrew's. I got a new one before our cruise because I didn't have Magic Plus, and you need Magic Plus to go on the cruise. Anyways, you might be wondering, do you need a magic band? If you are using lightning lanes, then I would say yes, you do. You can tap your phone, but especially if you have multiple people in your party, like kids, you would have to like scroll through in the Apple Wallet. It would just be very annoying if you're using lightning lanes. If you're not using lightning lanes, then you only need a magic band to like tap into the park, so you don't really need it for that. And you can buy stuff on the magic band, so instead of having to take out your phone and Apple Pay or credit card, I just tap the wristband and it makes it feel like everything's free. So I like having a magic band. For us it's necessary because we're using lightning lanes and each kid can just tap in. But yeah, they are expensive. It's kind of annoying, but fanny pack, that's the other thing I'm bringing. I'm not sure if I'll do a fanny pack or a backpack or what exactly, how I'll plan it out. I definitely am bringing everything and I'll just kind of decide day of what goes with each outfit. This is another travel hack. This is a bagoo, which is like a foldable little bag. It literally like folds into nothing. So useful when you're going around the parks because you just never know. Okay, let's talk about what I'm wearing, and I'm gonna insert clips of me trying it all on for you. Okay, so I mentioned we have pool days. I got this little bag from J. Crew Factory, so I'm bringing that. Okay, then I'm bringing this matching set from Target. So cute. This is the top and the shorts, very Polynesian vibes. Love that. I have 2 Disney shirts. I'll show you me trying on, but this one says Magic. This one says Mickey and Minnie. Why they're inside out, I don't know. I'm bringing a cardigan because even though it's Florida, it does get chilly. And then this is the matching dress. Why is everything inside out? I must have tried this on for my friends and not flipped it. This is the dress that matches the kids and my husband's that print outfit. This is a girl's dress in women's sizes, but it was sold out. I think this is like an old print. So everything is on sale and selling out. So I actually just got the girls size 14, 16 and it fit. So that was great. As a backup, I got a men's extra small or small shirt in case the dress didn't work. It was like final sale, but it was like $7 from Walmart. So I was like, it's worth the risk. Sorry, my shoes are such a mess. And then I have 2 pairs of jean shorts, both from Abercrombie. This is the high-rise dad short. I got the black denim. And then this is the Curve Love A-line I got in regular denim. And then I just got this freaking adorable Bolagalates skirt. Are you kidding me? It's like a ballet kind of running skirt. I'm gonna wear that with the Disney shirts. This is, oh, Andrew's shirt. I told you I've got all Andrew's clothes. This is his Mickey shirt that I'm gonna make sure comes with us. I got my pajamas. This is a cover up that I'm bringing. This is from J. Crew Factory. It's that eyelet design. And I am bringing the Disney bathing suit I mentioned to you guys. It's a 2-piece that matches the kids. My husband. This bathing suit I got on Amazon. It's very cute also. Just a plain pair of back workout shorts. Speaking of workouts, I'm going to be bringing this matching set. This is a new one from Target that just came out. It's called their like mesh something or other. Also super cute. I'm hoping to go on a run around all the deluxe resorts, go like around the lake by Magic Kingdom. I'm hoping to do an early morning run, our first day or our last day. I also have my Nike running shorts, which I'll bring, and just like a black running tank. Oh, I also have a black, also from Target, skirt that I'll wear with one of those Disney shirts. You might be wondering why there's tags on all my clothes, why I have so much new clothes. But if you've been following along, I've lost a lot of weight. I've been doing a lot of fitness in the past few months, so my summer clothes from last year do not fit me anymore. So I have had to buy a few new things. I haven't bought too much because it's still a few months before the summer, so I don't know exactly what my size will be by summer. But I just did need a few things. I also got this skirt from Vineyard Vines. Absolute favorite bathing suit is from Show Me Your Miu Miu. And let me tell you, as someone who has only bought Amazon swimwear for years, the upgrade is insane. Like, oh my goodness. I have not invested in an actual nice bathing suit in so long, and now I'm like, I'm not going back because it's so nice. I also did buy this one from J. Crew Factory, which is okay. It's nice too. Fits very beautifully, is very like conservatively shaped, which is nice for running around the pools and stuff. But this Show Me Your Miu Miu one is so good. And that's it. I've got a running bra. That's everything in this pile. Going in this suitcase. And yeah, that's what's happening. I will come back to you guys and show you everything all packed in another about day or so. And then I need to finalize my shoes. Probably bringing these for the park, walking around. I have a pair of sandals or flip-flops for the pool. I think that's it. I'm trying not to bring too many shoes. To me, that's always where the packing goes haywire. Always where it becomes out of control when you have too many shoes. Although I am bringing 2 Loungefly backpacks, so. Anyway, so that's what's happening. That's the pack with me to Disney. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you have any Disney questions, tips and tricks I can share. Maybe I'll make another video. Let me know what you guys want. I share a lot about Disney because we just love it so much and going. And yeah, so I like sharing more of it. I'm packed and ready for Disney. Okay, on the airplane, I am taking this Loungefly with just like my empty water bottle, sunglasses, wallet, that kind of thing. All the essentials are in here. My husband has a backpack with the kids' tablets and snacks, that kind of thing. Then, this is what we are taking. Controversially, it went with 2 check bags. They're not very big though. This is like, I would say, the smallest check bag. You know what I mean? It's like one step up from a carry-on. So 2 of those with all our clothes. And then we have 1 rolling carry-on that we're taking on the airplane. And let me show you guys what's in that. Okay, so not too much is in here. It's just everything we need for our first pool day. So that right when we get to the hotel, I'm just going to grab this bag, which I could have just held, but I was like, instead of walking around the airport holding this heavy bag with all our swim stuff, some like games for restaurants, I'll just pop it in rolling carry-on. That way we have it for when we come home and buy stuff. Sunscreen, and that's it. Like, it's like literally all that's in there. And then this side has our car seat, which is a safe rider vest from my youngest, who's 4, and then 1 more beach bag kind of thing. So really not much in there. And then let me show you, actually I'll show you this one. This one's just me and my husband's clothes. This is the kids' clothes. I just put it all in here. Everyone got a packing cube. Super simple. I have their shoes. I have my second Loungefly because you know one's not enough. All their hats are like Mickey gloves, and then each more goofy hats. There's a lot of like Disney paraphernalia in here. But what I was trying to show you guys is that each section of clothes, so I did all 3 kids together. This is all their t-shirts. That's all their shorts, t-shirts. I think this is like pajamas. This is bathing suits. So each cube is for a section of stuff. And then that's it. And then this is just me and my husband. Same thing, bunch of packing cubes. So that is everything we are taking. I have to go shower and get ready. We are going to the airport tomorrow morning. I'll be sharing all the details, or I will have shared all the details on my Instagram from the trip. So definitely go follow me there if you want to see more. And I'll insert some clips and footage here as well. Thank you guys so much for watching and packing with me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!